If you want to watch this video in Hindi or Telugu, check in the description. Hi guys, today's topic is a vast and very interesting topic, cosmology. So, what is cosmology? We'll come back to the cosmology, but before that, let's know what is astronomy. So, what is astronomy? Astronomy is a natural science that studies about the objects and its phenomena in the space. It uses mathematics, physics, and chemistry to explain their origin and evolution. It includes planets, moons, stars, nebula, galaxies, and comets. Astronomy is a vast topic. It contains so many things, many theories, and many interesting facts and discoveries. There are many branches under astronomy, like astrobiology. Astrobiology deals with the origin, evolution, and the future of the life of the universe. Astrophysics, which deals with the physics of the universe. Astrochemistry, which deals with all the reactions of molecules in the universe. Here comes today's topic, cosmology, which is concerned with the origin and the evolution of the universe. Extragalactic astronomy, it is the study of the objects outside our universe. Galactic astronomy, this is the study of objects inside our universe, that is Milky Way. Stellar astronomy, it is the study of all the stars present in the universe. Solar astronomy, it is a study regarding the sun. Planetary science, it is a study about the planets, moons, dwarf planets, asteroids, and all the objects that are revolving around the sun. So, coming back to today's topic, what is cosmology? It is a branch of astronomy concerned with the studies of origin, evolution, and the future of universe from the Big Bang till now and in the future. To study cosmology, one may require many telescopes, high computing computers, and satellites. The universe is vast, and many people are enthusiastic to know what is the origin of universe, what are the causes of undefined motions in the universe, and how the universe is evolving. There are many theories and mysteries. It is a never-ending and evolving subject. Since many decades, the perspective to view the universe is changing, and also there have been many noticeable discoveries. Like earlier, it was believed that Earth is the center of the universe, but now we believe that Earth is no more at center, but it is revolving around the sun with many planets, and together we called it as a solar system. Then it was proved that Isaac Newton, that how the forces between the planets, especially the gravitational force, have interacted. There have been many discoveries in the field of cosmology since many decades. In 16th century BCE, it was believed that the universe is flat, circular Earth which is enclosed in a cosmic ocean. But now in 21st century, we have successfully taken the photo of black hole, and also we no more believe that the Earth is flat, more like a spherical shape which rotates around itself and also revolves around the sun with many planets. And in together we call it as a solar system, which is a part of a Milky Way galaxy. And also it is believed that there are more brighter stars than sun, and also there are many galaxies and universe, and it is proved that our universe consists of other celestial bodies like dwarf planets, moons, comets, asteroids, dark matter, and also consists of many different types of energies, and there is a gravitational force acting on these all celestial bodies. What started a Big Bang? There may be many theories, but it was believed that a small patch of universe was so unstable and couldn't repel it from some force, and it gave rise to a big outburst. In short, we can say that the universe was very hot and very small in the start, and now it's just expanding and cooling down. Shape of the universe can be derived by three attributes. First attribute, infinite or finite. Second attribute, flat, closed or open. Third attribute, multi-connected or singly connected. The universe is 13.8 billion years old or much more than that. Big Bang created all the matter and energy. The most of the hydrogen and helium was created after some moments of Big Bang. Most of the larger, heavier elements came into existence after that. Different religions have different way to express the formation of universe and the origin of universe. Like Hindu cosmology, Jain cosmology, biblical cosmology and Islamic cosmology, etc. Now we will be discussing about some cosmologies hereby. Hindu cosmology. According to Hindu cosmology, it is believed that the universe consists of Panchabhutas, five greater elements, and related to that we have five sense organs and five senses. Now, the five senses and five great elements are as follows: space, fire, earth, air, water. Five sense organs and five senses are sound, ear; smell, nose; sight, eyes; touch, skin; taste, tongue. According to them, time is infinite with cyclic universe. They believe that we have been preceded of some other universe, and from our universe there will be many infinite universe. Brahma is the first born and the secondary creator. During the start of his kalpa, divides the universe into 3 lokas and then into 14 lokas, which are grouped mainly as heavenly, earthly, and hellish. It is believed that above earth, including earth, there are 7 lokas, and below earth there are 7 lokas. The 7 lokas above the earth are Bhulok, Bhuvarlok, Swaralok, Maharlok, Janalok, Tapalok, Satyalok. The 7 lokas below the earth are Ataloka, Vitaloka, Sutaloka, Talatalaloka, Mahatalaloka, Rasatalaloka, Patalaloka. Jain cosmology. According to the Jain cosmology, the universe is an uncreated entity which is infinite, which doesn't have any beginning or the end. According to the Jainism, the universe is broad at the top, narrow at the middle, and again broad in the bottom. They believe that the universe is created by 6 elements called as Dravya and divided or grouped as Ajiva and Jiva. According to the Jain text, the universe is divided into 3 parts: Urdhvaloka, the realms of God or heavens; Madhyaloka, the realms of humans, animals, and plants; Adhaloka, the realms of hellish things. According to them, the shape of the universe is like a man standing on his legs, resting his arms on his waist. And they have a unit called as Rajlok, which is used to measure the shape of the universe. Likewise, Islamic cosmology and biblical cosmology is been mentioned in Quran and Bible respectively. It is said that according to holographic principle of universe, the universe is just an hologram. That means the things we see in 3D are just information fed to us, and we are just a painting on a large canvas called as universe. Sometimes we feel we are so tiny that we are just a part of the earth, which is a part of a solar system, which is a part of a Milky Way galaxy, which is a part of a giant universe. So be happy and make others happy and live a happy life. So guys, from this episode you have learned about what is cosmology and how the universe is formed and its secrets and its mystery theories and everything. So we'll meet you in the next episode of Pseudoscience with a new sci-fi topic. Until then, goodbye.